Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, put those wheels to good use. I have installed them on a motor and installed it in a Marx 999 shell. So anyway, getting ready for its first run around the rail. Power is on, still running this on DC. I'm going to be running this outside track on DC for weeks, very likely, just to keep testing this power supply. In any case, a new Marx 999 built from parts, up and running. Now it has no front or rear truck yet, but I just got this motor assembled and put it in the shell. Now this is all parts out of the parts box. I just ran out of wheels weeks ago. Ran out of spoked wheels months ago. Anyway, finally getting some parts back so I can start assembling some of these parts into running motors. In this case, those new wheels are on that 999. As you see, it's running perfectly. It runs forward only. Just an old beat to junk motor that I had. But it runs. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video of its first trip around the rail. I've got one more 999 shell, 3 more 400 shells, and 2 490 shells. So I have enough shells. It's going to be all plastic here, and once I get this next motor assembled, very likely. But as you see, it looks nice, it runs nice, it runs forward only, but it's running, no front truck, no rear truck, but it's made completely out of junk parts. I don't even mean spare parts, I mean junk parts. Rusted stuff. That motor, the E-unit, is dead as a proverbial hammer, so there's no way to repair it. As you see, this is running just absolutely splendidly. This is running really, really well. And of course running on DC, like I said. Still using the new power supply. That's at 9.14 volts. So I have to say I'm really impressed with DC. There's no doubt about that. And this motor is just humming, just absolutely humming. All right, let's slow it down. Now that's what's cool about DC. Let's speed it up. Anyway, it's fun to play with this. It's a completely different kind of layout when you're running it on DC. You can do things you just simply can't do on AC, that's for sure. Anyway, that old motor is just absolutely humming. Running just splendidly. Take it up a bit. There's 10 volts. As you see, that's more than fast enough. And we still have 2 volts in reserve, so. You can't run it at full throttle, so it's a decent power supply for the outlet, or for the layout. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this new motor. Assembled completely out of junk parts. Rusty parts, nasty parts. Every leftover bit and piece is stuck inside this motor, but it's up and running. So am I going to clean it up? I have no idea. I have like 20 of these things now. So right now I'm just getting parts so I can assemble some of these old junk parts into motors. It works. As I always stress, you know, you can do this pennies on a dollar just by buying junk parts and junk locomotives. And out of one of these motors, you can usually fix 4 or 5 others. There's no two of them ever have exactly the same problem. So in any case, it's up and running. Just want to do a quick video. This power supply is working just absolutely splendidly. As you can see, and it just runs better on DC. That's all you can say about it. There's no doubt about that. It's like running an entirely different kind of layout. Have you ever seen anything like that before? Just absolutely amazing. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this new motor. Dropped in a 999 shell. If it had a front and rear truck, it'd be a really decent 999. Anyway, just got it assembled, want to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.